Abu Dhabi was rated the safest city in the world for the 7th year running. 3 out of 7 main cities in the UAE were rated in the top 10. Stanford issued a study in the 4th quarter of last year where it rated the largest AI nations in terms of countries that they rated the most vested in the AI space. The UAE ranked 5th in that. In terms of FDI, behind the United States, the UAE came 2nd in terms of FDI attractiveness. Or attracting FDIs in 2024. That's huge for a country the size of the UAE. I would complement that with, in 23 and 24, the largest number of high net worth individuals moving, in terms of global movement, moved into the UAE, number 1, ahead of the United States, Singapore, and many countries in Europe. The GDP of the UAE growing at around 6%, that will continue. So there is a clear case, I think, for the UAE when it comes to growth as an example of, in this new world, how to create growth.